Welcome back, friends. Today we are starting a new series of tips and tricks. In this first video we will see how you can crop a video clip or an image in the Premiere Pro. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, let's see how you can crop a video clip. So open your Premiere Pro and import your video clip, and after that place your video clip on the timeline. I have this small clip on my timeline, and what I want is I want to crop this clip from top, bottom and left and right. So first of all I will go to effects. If you don't find effects over here, you can go to window and make sure that effects is selected. You can press shift and 7 key to bring the effects panel. So my effect panel is available over here. So I am going to click on the effects, and after that I will go to video effects and I will scroll down to transform, and then we have the effect called crop. So where you have to go, you have to click on the effects and then the video effects, and after that you go down to the transform, and under transform there is an effect called crop. So drag this effect on the video clip. Once you will drag it, you will notice that on the effects panel there is an option now available with the name of crop. If I zoom in, we can see now the option of crop. So we can click here and we can see we can have option to crop from left, top, right and bottom. So let's do it from left. So you can just change the values, percentage, how much percent you want to crop from the left side. Just click and move towards up arrow, so you will see that your video clip will start cropping. Alternately, you can just click here and press the value. For example, I want to crop for 5% from the left side, so I will click on 5. So there you go, I have cropped this much area. And now from right side I will have the same proportion, 5%. Alright, so we can see from right we have cropped it. And similarly the top, let's say from top I want the 10%. There you go. And from bottom 10%. So that's it. This is what I wanted to have my video clip look like. So I have cropped it from all 4 sides. So this is how you can crop the video clip. The similar method can be applied to any image. So let's crop an image. I'm going to delete this video clip, and now I will bring my image on the timeline. So here is the image which I want to crop. So first of all, let me scale it down a little bit. From scale I can reduce the scale to this much. Alright, 80%. And now I can clearly see that what I need to crop. So over here what I actually want to crop this area to eliminate this extra kind of text written over here, and this is the extra line. I want to remove this, and these are some extra kind of signatures or whatever, so I want to remove these. So similarly what I will do, I will go to effects, then video effects. After that go to transform and click and drag the crop effects on the image. As soon as you will drag and drop the effects on the image, you will see that the options become available under effect controls. So we can see the crop options over here, and from here we can easily crop the image from starting from top. Let's say from top I will click and move this towards up to increase the value, so it will about this percent, 8% from top is sufficient. So now let's crop from the left side. So from left I will increase this value to this much, and from bottom so I will increase this much. Alright, so all the extra text and lines written on over my image are now gone. So this is how you can crop an image in the Premiere Pro. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching.